This is the help video for the student data water footprint calculation. You did your ecological footprint in the beginning of this unit, and this is very, very similar, but we're just focusing on water here. So the first thing you need to do is go get the data table, the worksheet from the resource table. You want to calculate your water footprint and answer some questions during and after calculating your water footprint in order to figure out how you can reduce your water usage and your environmental impact. So click on the link in Canvas right here, and that'll bring you here, and you're going to click Find Your Footprint. And then you're going to answer these questions to the best of your ability. Remember, you can always ask me if you need help. All right, I'm going to go through this. I'll pause this help video, and then once we get to the end, I'll tell you what to do next. All right, here's the part where it tells you what virtual water is. That's for number 1. So read that and answer. And when you get to this part, you can pick any one that you want. It doesn't really make a difference of what they tell you. Just be honest. Which one do you want to learn the most about? So then it will tell you what your information is, what your personal, your household, and what actions used the most in America, in the USA. So make sure when you do this, you're going to scroll down. This shows you what you use most water for. You can check this out. This question here, which of your actions uses more water? So this is where you're going to find that out. This one for me, clearly, I just kind of clicked through the diet. Since I eat meat, my diet uses the most water of anything I do. Second would be shopping, and then lawn and garden, swimming pool. Well, I don't even have a swimming pool. I just click through the questions. But here, write like the top 5 actions that you do. So if this was my real information, I'd put my diet, shopping, this one, and this one, the kitchen sink, under here. Which of your actions? Now down here, we're going to figure out what you can do to be more sustainable. So if you keep scrolling down, when you look, so for this one, shower, I'm using a lot more water than the average. So you can click tips, and it will tell you some things that you can do to reduce your usage. Now, what I want you to do is don't just write, it says this top one, it's my favorite. Put a bucket in the shower while you're waiting for the water to warm up and use the water you catch for watering plants. That's actually really smart. Now, if this is something that you're never going to do not put that in your worksheet here, right? So what you want to do is you're going to find the action. Let's say shower. You're going to write that in here in this action part. And then you're going to put a tip for how you can save it. Put a bucket in the shower to use for plants and things later. And I'd like to see you do as many actions as possible. If you need help, just ask.